Hi, my name is Amy, and I'm here to talk about Sohini Livewell's Ignite Mind Body Detox experience. For me, this evening was deeply profound and transformative. Through the benefits of movement, meditation, and sound, I felt myself dive deeply into parts of my being, parts of my ego that I hadn't looked at before or had swept under the rug, and felt myself move through these stagnant areas, these stuck places, these dark places even, and bring them up to the surface and up ultimately to the light. And since this extremely transformative experience, I have felt myself move through layers and shed parts of myself, shed, I guess, like a snake sheds its skin, this past and this person that no longer serves me. And I feel like I've stepped more deeply into my totality, into my total being, my wholeness. And I feel deeply moved by Sohini's work and by Ignite, and I highly recommend it. Anyway, thank you so much for your creation, Sohini. Okay, bye-bye.